us este, okay?
They're gonna go.
There's a press button, one of them will flash as well.
Flight engineers, repair this. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Aprieta el cuadrado.
Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's move in that Croatia. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Open it up.
There's the train. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is. After that train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Hey, now gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, bridge. Good work. Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I grab the gold axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train.
Train's away.
Pilots, into the center. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo is breaking free. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the rules. Oh, that. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Move. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is, hey, not bad. Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
Cargo. Let's go. Oh, yep.